Buenas and Happy Day YouTube, it's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing back with another video. We specialize in ceramic coatings, window tinting, and vinyl wrapping. And if you guys are interested in any of our services or want to find out more information about our different types of auto detailing services, please check out the description down below. You'll find a link to our website and all our social media platforms. And you can also leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. In this video, we're going to be focusing on installing a 10-year ceramic coating on this 2023 Honda Civic. Just to give you guys some context behind this vehicle is actually the first actual nice vehicle the customer has owned, so he really wants it protected with a ceramic coating because Guam's environment is very harsh and detrimental to the vehicle's paintwork. To demonstrate the ceramic coating installation, we have our two professional auto detailers, Ken and Jen, and they will be applying the ceramic coating. If you're unsure what a ceramic coating is, please head over to our video talking about what exactly a ceramic coating is and the process we have to do before we can actually get to the final stage of applying the ceramic coating. The video will be linked up in the corner above. So let's answer the big question here. Is a ceramic coating worth it? A ceramic coating is well worth it, especially if you're on a budget. Ceramic coating is another form of paint protection. This will help protect your vehicle from oxidation, loss of color, and UV damage. Vehicles nowadays are super expensive. Protect your vehicle because this will take you from point A to point B, and if you don't have a vehicle, how are you going to get to work? And if you're spending $700,000 a month for that vehicle, then you might as well take care of it. To take care of your vehicle doesn't only mean to get a ceramic coating. Once you get your car ceramic coated, you still have to perform the regular maintenance. And if you get your car ceramic coated by Cherry Auto Detailing, you can jump on our maintenance plan. Our maintenance plan is perfect for people who don't have time to wash their vehicles or clean their cars. Our maintenance program is designed to perform a regular maintenance on a regular schedule at a regular price point. This is very important if you are a busy person and you have no time to wash your car. Once you get your car ceramic coated, you can jump on our maintenance program and we can perform the exterior details for you on a monthly basis, so that way we can keep your car's paint in that like new condition. If you guys are interested in any of our maintenance plans, you can feel free to give us a call or send us an email, so that way we can create a plan tailored to you and your vehicle's needs and also for your budget. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and found it both entertaining and informative. Before we go, I want to remind you to like this video if you found it helpful or enjoyable. Your support means the world to me and it helps grow the channel. Subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We post at least twice a month and cover a wide range of topics that you won't want to miss. Comment down below to let me know your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future content. I love hearing from you and I personally read and respond to as many comments as I can. Share this video with your friends and family if you think they might enjoy it or benefit from the information we shared today. Check out the description below for the links and resources related to today's video. Be sure to follow me on social media for behind the scenes content, updates, and more. Thank you for being a part of Cherry Auto Detailing's community. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring the world one video at a time. See you next time. This is Jeremy once again, and thank you for watching.